from the team you can trust. This is News 8 at 6.
Good evening, I'm Selena Lewis. What could be a dangerous windstorm is fast approaching Rochester, but it's not too late to do some last-minute prep to make your home that much safer. Kayla Green is live with more on how to prepare. Kayla.
Yeah, Selena, we're about 12 hours away from the damaging windstorm. The high wind warnings go into effect at 7 a.m. tomorrow, and officials are expecting gusts up to 70 miles per hour, which is enough to rip trees right out of the ground and take down power lines. Now, storms like this can be unpredictable, but there are some things you can do to prepare. I'm here at Ace Hardware, which has been busy all day with people doing just that.
Here I'm buying batteries and thinking about backup flashlights, maybe a lantern.
Marty Knott is one of many Rochester residents stocking up for the storm. Dennis McCarthy, general manager of Ace Hardware, says it's been a busy day in his store.
I think people have been keeping an eye on the storm, trying to see, how bad it might hit. Looks like it's going to be a pretty high-risk storm, so people are definitely now starting to come out, get all that storm readiness supplies they might need.
The most popular items? McCarthy says flashlights, batteries, and generators. Anything that keeps light and heat going.
Well, the biggest concern with the storm coming is, will you lose power? And, being out of power, you tend to be out of heat, and it all kind of snowballs from there.
And with the predicted temperature drop after the storm, a lack of heat could turn dangerous.
Now, the biggest thing is extra layers of clothing, making sure your windows are well insulated to keep the cold out, your doorways as well. Anything you can do to just keep the cold from getting in.
Knott isn't taking any chances.
We did buy a few things at the grocery store just in case we aren't able to use the refrigerator or the electric stove. so we'll be at least ready for a day or two without power if necessary.
Yeah. And for some, power outages could last several days. You may not be able to get your power back right away because utility crews will be stretched pretty thin. So keep your generators going if you can and stay away from any downed power lines. Selena?
Thank you, Kayla. Let's check in now with James.